And here we are yet again. I made a movable cradle for it. I kept dingling around with it. Couldn't figure out why I wasn't getting no fire. And lo and behold, this thing's got points. That's fantastic. Oh, electronic ignition. Had to replace the solenoid that makes the starter work. But all that's good. And my control panel. Yeah, I mean, yeah. There we go. She's running, and she puts out voltage too. It works. Got to get the carburetor cleaned up, get a fuel tank on her. Yeah, when it gets below a certain RPM, it shuts the ignition off. It has to hold its RPM to keep running. Kind of hard to run it on brake cleaner for too long. But yeah, she works. That's fantastic. Puts out voltage the whole 9 yards. It works like it's supposed to. Just got to get the carburetor cleaned up and get a fuel tank and fix the fuel line. Somebody broke it off. It's supposed to go right there. Yep, that was a good investment.